favorite ko din si Best Boy, to be honest.
I-nominate pa
Especially
ba natin siya?
yes. Honestly, because like the way his voice just fluctuates from calm to crazy is just wow. Like wow, mood. That's how my brain sounds, to be honest.
What's his
So
name again?
I forgot. I'm trying to search actually.
Alam ko letter K.
Kokaki.
Crunch.
I said something.
Ano eh? Kikuku? Kikakuku?
Basta yun.
Hi, I'm Bree.
I'm Kay.
I'm Leela,
And you're listening to
Sidetracked.